What do you say, Albert? You gonna eat the apple? Yeah. Well, what a cutie you are. Yeah? What do you think? Are you gonna eat that apple, or are you just gonna sing to me or peep at me? Oh, maybe not. What about those tomatoes over there? Or are you just sticking with the apple? Peeper. Oh, yeah. You've eaten a lot of that this morning. That's yummy. That's an apple from your yard, or garden, or whatever we would call it. Anyway, your big house. Yes. Okay. Good job, buddy. You just keep eating, because your people are going to be very happy when they see that you've been eating very, very well. Yeah. Yeah, good job. Okay, we'll sign off for now. Have a happy Saturday.